Why decluttering saves you money. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Clutter. It's terrible for the soul, and terrible for all other life aspects as well. Clutter not only drags you down mentally, but it is also a huge waste of your financial resources. How exactly does clutter waste money, and how does getting rid of it help you save financially? When you declutter, it can be like going shopping. As you clean, you will likely come across many objects that you forgot you had. You may need more pens and find close to 100. You just never know what you are going to find when you declutter. The rescued items can be organized from this point on and used as needed. We've all been there. You have an item you need and you are sure you bought it already. You know that you have it somewhere, but you have so much clutter lying around that you may never find the item. You inevitably end up buying a new one, only to find the original several months down the road. With piles and piles of seemingly random things being stored in your home, it can be near impossible to find what you are looking for when you need it the most. Decluttering can make your home more organized so that you never have to waste time looking for things you bought and misplaced, or buy a duplicate item. When you have spent a large amount of time decluttering your home, you realize what a time waster it is to have too many items. It can be the most effective way of convincing yourself to buy less. You will save a large amount of money if you take the simple step of curbing your spending patterns. Buy less, and your life will instantly go in a positive direction. The amount of real estate that clutter takes up is amazing. When you declutter, it makes you feel good, and you will want to keep going. When you have gotten to a point where you are closer to being a minimalist, you will find that you truly do not need a lot of space to enjoy the home you live in. You may even find yourself seriously considering downsizing your home in order to save money and prepare for the future. Decluttering leaves you with not only a lot of junk, but also with many perfectly good items that you simply do not need. By selling these old items, you are not just saving money, but making some. This can be an added incentive to your decluttering efforts. Whether it be through a garage sale, word of mouth, or an online ad, sell your old items and make some extra cash. Decluttering is good for the mind, body, and soul. It is also good for the wallet. If you are hoping to save money and be more responsible with what you have, take these thoughts into consideration. Decluttering can and does save you money, and in a big way. Home organization can seem overwhelming. Fortunately, the world we live in is full of great ideas to help you get to a place where you can feel like you are not only surviving, but thriving in this area. Use these resources to take you from overwhelmed to feeling great about your organizational skills. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home cleaning and organizing content.